So you have created this awesome, good-looking hero banner with a call to action on your landing page. And everything you've done here is so good that you want to repeat it on your other pages, but just change a few things. For example, you have this on your landing page, so maybe you want to put it on your products page, but you want to change the title, you want to change the background. But everything else, the view more, call to action, how the title looks, your typography, your spacing, all of that, you don't want to change any of that. You just want to change the content. So does it mean that when you make a new page, you have to do everything again? And the answer is no. For those cases where you want to reuse a block to keep the styling but change the content, use the Save Blocks option. We are on the front end, so let's first go into Edit Page with Brizy to find out where that Save Blocks option is. Here is our block. You can see very nicely. We have elements in here, dividers, more. And now, when you go up here to the block settings and you click on it, you will see the little heart over there. Now, the heart is your favorite or the block that you want to save. What this will do is that it will save this block into your blocks. Before we do that, let's scroll down to the bottom and click here on Add a New Block just to see what you see here at the top. If you are using the free version of Brizy, you will not see layouts. This is only available in the Pro version. But over here, you will see Saved Blocks. Now, if I click on it, you will see there's nothing here. And it says here, nothing here yet. Save a block first. And it even shows you how to do that. So let's get out of this, go back to the top, to that hero banner we want to save. Click again on the block settings and then click on the heart. You see a little circle, it says saved. Let's go see if it did save indeed. Add a new block, save blocks, and ta-da! There it is, thumbnail included. How beautiful is that? What this allows you to do is that when you go and open another page within the same site, you can use this block again. Let's do that. I'm going to say preview just to get out of here to the front end. From here, I'll choose new page. We'll call this page products. And because I'm working within the Astra theme, I'm going to just say no sidebar, full width stretch, disable, disable. Publish it again, and then edit with Brizy. Here is my empty page. Let's go and change our default view first. Page, Brizy template, and I put it on default. And now I bring in that block. Start building your page, click on it, go to Save Blocks, and just click on it, and it comes in. And what you do now is you just go ahead and you change the content of everything within this hero banner. In the event where you don't want to use this anymore, you think it's taking up space within your layouts, go to Add a New Block, go to Save Blocks, and click here on the bin, the trash can at the top, and it's out of your life forever. There's no turning back now, it's gone, but it will not remove those that you have already placed on your site. And that's a great way to save blocks for reuse in the future where you want to change the content.